Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Celie hair I'm wearing right now. Guys, I've been wearing this hair for a while and I thought I would give you guys the beauty of this hair. But so far so good. I am loving it. As you guys already know, I normally wear my wig with glue to be able to wear the hair for a while before giving you the tea about the hair. But so far so good, I'm loving it. The hair comes in this cute lovely packaging and it comes with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with a comb, it comes with a cap, it comes with an eyelashes, which I'm wearing in this video by the way. It comes with hair clip, it comes with hairband, and it comes with your sweep brush, and it comes in this cute purple packaging. And look at that is the hair. That is what the hair looks like straight from the box. I am loving it. Look at that waves, look at that curls. Guys, you don't have to do anything at all with this hair. The hair has actually been plucked straight from the box, and it also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. Look at that lace, guys. The lace for me is top notch. Like, it melted into my skin without a shadow of a doubt. Like, you can barely tell if I'm wearing a wig. You guys can tell from this video. I love the construction of the cap as well. It's a glueless cap. You can wear it without any glue or gel. It comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also have an elastic strap as well, so you have nothing to worry about when it comes to installing your hair. You don't need any glue, you don't need any gel at all. But I actually use glue in order for me to be able to wear this for a while, so that I can do an in-depth review for you during this voiceover. I've been wearing it for a while now, and I love the fact that the hair has not tangled still, no shedding so far. And yeah, for the installation of the hair, I cut the hair into 3 sections and I glue it down section by section from the middle to the sides. Yeah, so that's exactly what I did. The video is self-explanatory, but yeah, I actually cut the lace and then did the other side as well. Very easy. And as you can tell, voila, the lace, look at that. There's still lace there, but you can barely tell because the lace is just amazing. Very soft and makes the installation really easy for me. I blow dried it. If you like, you can. If you like, you don't. The choice is yours, but the lace is really soft, so you have nothing to worry about. Look at that. Show me the laces, please. Where's the lace? Show me the lace, please. This is my hair. No doubts. You can't tell me otherwise. This is my real hair. Show me the laces, please. Show me. Point out the lace. Let me see. Look at that. I love that. I really loved it. You can barely tell that I'm wearing a wig, except if you know that I really have a short hair in real life. But that's the curls that come with the hair straight from the box. I didn't do anything in this part. Nothing. Exactly how it came straight from the box. The curls are popping. Like, you don't have to do nothing. Look at that. Then I decided to throw in some curls. I love this hair so much because I don't have to do anything at all. But yeah, look at that. I am loving it. Yeah, so Celie have amazing hair on their website, and they have colored hair, they have all types of hair, and for their shipping it took like I think 3 to 4 days, I believe. I can't remember, but yeah, their shipping was really quick, which is amazing as well. And the most important thing for me is the lace of the wig. So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Celie lace frontal wig I'm wearing right here. Guys, I am loving it. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the packaging, guys. The packaging is really cute, and it comes with loads of amazing goodies as well. I like the fact that all the goodies included in the packaging are quite useful for the maintenance of your hair and also for the styling of your hair as well. I really like that about the brand. So you can tell the hair is really soft and very voluminous. Look at that, really full, and there's been no shedding or tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair, and the quality of the hair is really amazing. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while now, you'd have seen my collaboration with Celie hair before. Their hair is really amazing. As for my previous video, you can tell that you can curl their hair, you can tongue their hair, you can treat the hair just like your own natural hair. Just like the previous hair, the quality of this hair is also amazing. I didn't experience any tangling or shedding whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair. I like the fact that the hair is so soft and silky to touch. And in terms of the lace, I really love the lace of the wig. It's very transparent, it's very soft, and it's made it easier for me to be able to apply the hair. And you can tell from the installation of the hair, the lace melted into my skin effortlessly without any stress whatsoever, without having to tie scarf or anything at all. The lace melted into my skin. I really like that about the hair as well. And the construction of the cap is really good, because you don't have to use any glue or gel to install your hair. As you guys already know, I always like to use glue to install my wig so that I'll be able to wear it for a while and give you guys the tea about the hair. As you can tell, you can pat the hair anywhere you like. The hair is so voluminous. Look at that. I love the volume of the hair, and it's so silky, so bouncy. Look at that. You can even tell without me saying anything about the hair that the quality of the hair is just amazing. So another thing I like about the hair is the fact that you don't need any glue or gel to install the hair. It comes with 3 combs. It comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. And it also has an elastic strap as well, just in case your head is too big or too small for the wig. You can actually adjust the wig to the size of your head, which is really amazing. So you don't need any glue, you don't need any gel to install the wig. And for me, the quality of the hair is the most important thing about this hair. From the construction of the cap to the packaging to the shipping actually took 4 days to the UK, which is really good in my opinion. Celie hair are hair brands that sell all types of hair on their website. Lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, they have lace, full lace wig, they have 360 lace wig. I'm not a fan of black hair. They also have all types of colored hair on their website as well, so you have a lot of options to choose from when you visit their website. And also the most amazing thing is the fact that Christmas is around the corner, so they have loads of amazing deals. You definitely get something within your budget for your friends or your loved ones, so feel free to check out their website now. I am loving this hair. In terms of quality, the hair is A+, and in terms of the construction of the cap, it's definitely A+ for me. In terms of the quality, guys, it's definitely A+ for me. The hair took to curls really well. Look at that. It took to curls really well. I love the fact that the hair is also true to length as well. Would I recommend this hair? Definitely, I would definitely recommend this hair. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.